Welcome to HostAfrica Website Builder Series. Today, we'll show you how easy it is to log in and get started with your website builder, your simple tool to design, customize, and launch your professional website in minutes. First, log in to your HostAfrica client area. Once inside, scroll down the main page and click Site Builder. Alternatively, you can use the hosting menu at the top of the page and select Site Builder. Then, simply click the builder icon to log in. Now that you're inside the builder, let's explore the layout. At the very top, you'll find the main menu with all the key functions: settings, customization options, page selection tools, and on the far right, your preview and publish buttons. Just below, you'll see the builder URL displayed. The third row is your header section, while the bottom area is your footer. Each section comes with two powerful tools: Appearance, to style your website, and Layout, to structure it the way you want. And that's how easy it is to log in and navigate the HostAfrica website builder. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.